What's up guys, Rob from TMP here. Whether you're in the market for a new MotorGuide Xi3 or just bored out of your mind and want to watch an unboxing video, we got you covered. We're going to be opening up this MotorGuide Xi3, showing you everything inside the box, and then going over all the different models, accessories, and mounting options for this motor. Xi3. It's MotorGuide's entry model for GPS compatible and wirelessly controlled motors. It's extremely versatile, so you can mount this thing on anything from a kayak to a bass boat to a deep V or even your bathtub. It comes in both freshwater and saltwater versions, and there's several different models of the motor, so the price can land you anywhere from $749 to $1749. It's offered in both a 12 and 24 volt. In 12 volt, it ranges from 45 to 55 pounds of thrust. In 24 volt, it ranges from 68 to 70 pounds of thrust. Available shaft lengths are 36 inch, 48 inch, 54 inch, and 60 inch. It's available with or without built-in sonar. You can also get it packaged with or without Pinpoint GPS. With the Xi3, it'll come from the factory with a wireless remote. There are two different options for remotes. One has standard steering, speed, and prop control functions. The other will have all of that along with Pinpoint GPS features. If you want to add a foot pedal, MotorGuide does offer a wireless foot pedal as an add-on accessory. If your Xi3 did not come equipped from the factory with Pinpoint GPS features, you can add it to your motor with an upgrade kit. Adding this kit to your motor will give you complete GPS features, including anchor lock, heading lock, cruise control, and more. If your motor has a built-in transducer, you can also add an adapter cable that will match up with your fish finder. With Pinpoint GPS installed, you can also connect your Xi3 to a Lowrance fish finder for additional features. To enable this, it would also require an NMEA 2000 starter kit and gateway kit. When you're mounting the Xi3 to your boat, I'd highly recommend using a quick release bracket. This will not only give you a lot more flexibility when you're mounting the motor to the boat, but will also allow you to quickly and easily remove it when needed. They're available in both composite and aluminum models, and the price is going to run you anywhere from $80 to $175. I'm going to give you a few tips on mounting the Xi3. We have the mock-up here of the front end of a boat to give you a visual. You're going to start by removing the side plates. Once the side plates are removed, that'll expose the mounting holes. MotorGuide provides you with 4 mounting bolts, nuts, washers, and spacers. You'll need to drill a 1/4 inch hole to run the bolts in. The bolts go in from the top. On the inside, you will install the washer first and the nut second. MotorGuide also provides you with spacers if you need to level out or raise the motor up a bit. When placing the Xi3 in its mounting location, you'll want to make sure the U-channel on the front of the mounting plate is clearing the bow of the boat. You'll also want to make sure that the head of the motor is inside of the gunnel so that you don't knock the head off on a dock. So that covers it for our unboxing and overview of the MotorGuide Xi3. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and keep trolling.